entering your time on a job. You can access the area you enter time by pressing two things. You could go to the icon we created, the shortcut weekly timesheets. That is the easiest way. Alternatively, you could go to the home page which we're on and press enter timesheets. They both have the same result. Let's press the shortcut, enter timesheets. What comes up here is a page where you can record the customer, service item, any payroll notes, and the days of the week. If you want a different day of the week, you can get that by pressing this, and you can choose a different Monday. Monday is your start day, so we could choose that Monday, the 13th of June. Let's choose the 20th. The question is who is working, so it's going to be Henry Harding. And what customers did he work on? If it's an existing job, you can just choose the job Mark's test. What service performed was labour Mark, and the pay rate was an hourly. It wasn't anything special. It could have been overtime or something like that. We can write some notes, change light bulb, and let's say that took us 2 hours and the time was billable. We can tab through and have a new line for the next client. Now we're going to add a client. We've got a new client and we're just going to put in his name, and it's going to be called New Client 2. And it's going to be called Henry's New Client. There's no opening balances. We don't have any information. The office might have it all. If you do have the contact details and everything, you can put it in. But for this exercise, we're just going to put in so we can quickly do our timesheet. And there's the new client. And we did labour. We did hourly pay the same. And here we fixed items, whatever we did. And we spent, on Tuesday, 6 hours there. And this time was billable. Now, if you want to delete this item and you're thinking, I've done this incorrectly, this Henry New Client, after you've tabbed through and you're down, you want to go back and change it, you can adjust any item by going back and just clicking on the line. So we could go back to this one and we could change the hours to 3 if we need to change it later. If we find we didn't even want to work on this client, we can quite easily right click while we're on the line, and you can either cut, copy and paste. So we could create a new one. We could go copy, we could click further down and we can paste, and that creates that client again for us. We still need to put in what's going on. It's labour mark, hourly pay, and we did a lot of work. We worked. And we did an extra 5 hours there on that client, and it goes through. Now we want to delete a client. We decided this was a mistake and we shouldn't have put it in. So we right click and we can see insert line, delete line. So let's delete line, and that takes the person away. And that one line is deleted. This is obviously not billable. From here we just simply save and close, and our timesheet is prepared.